Damas y Caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Joe J. Jr. and welcome to another super cool... I hate when this happens. Pomade review. So today I decided to try something totally new again. You know, in my last video, or in the last pomade review I did, I was checking out Marie's Superior hairdressing pomade, which if you guys haven't seen that video, check it out right here. Today I decided to try American Crew, what is that? American Crew Defining Paste. There it is. So I've actually known a lot of people that have used this product. I've never used it before, but I've always seen it on the shelves. But for me, you know, I've always been like 20 bucks for a hair pomade or a hair product. And considering how small it looked compared to Suavecito, which I only paid like 13 to 14 bucks, I was like, I don't know. Plus, it never really caught my attention. But I've known people that have used it, so I decided, you know what, why not give it a shot? And real quick, before I get too far ahead of myself, you know, I've seen the comments recommending me to try, I think it's Sweet Georgia Brown in the red can, Goon Grease, and I think it was Suavecito's Light Hold Pomade. Okay, and to all of them, I've kind of given you guys the same response. I'll do them as soon as possible, and I say that because I'll probably get them individually per week. But at the moment, with everything going on with COVID-19, you know, some of this stuff I have to get shipped from all these other websites, and I just don't know when they'd end up arriving. So definitely, if you guys are waiting for those videos, definitely click the little bell icon and get notified, because pretty sure when I get those products and I review them, I'm probably going to set them up to be a premiere so you guys can get another notification for it. So with that out of the way, you know, I hope you guys are still staying safe with this whole COVID-19 thing. So let's get this started. So opening it up, it is completely white, definitely like a paste. It's kind of got like a citrusy smell to it. It smells okay, I guess. I'm not really a fan of the smell, but doesn't seem to be too much in this. It's a little tough. Okay, we'll start out with the fingerful. So, as always, just apply it to the hands. This just like fell apart really easily. Hope I'm not putting in a bad product into my hair, but regardless, I guess we're gonna find out. So I can smell the citrus. I'm not a fan. So if you guys have any other ideas for any pomades you guys would like me to review, definitely comment down below. I know that things are a little bit difficult right now with COVID-19, but just know that as soon as I can, I will definitely drop those reviews on those pomades, because hair is something that interests me, and I actually really like doing these hair pomades. Also, I've been kind of busy with my personal life. Like, it's not something like life or death, but more like, I think I might be dropping my uploads to like twice a week, just for like this week, or not this week, actually maybe this week, either this week or next week, maybe both, because I have some of you guys that like to show up for the pomade reviews, others for Fright Fridays. If you like both, thanks. It means a lot that you guys are watching my videos, but I don't think there will be a Fright Friday this week, just because, you know, most of these stories, or at least the older Fright Fridays, were more just based off of like urban myths, and then as time went on, you know, I started to make them up, and I feel like my made up ones aren't that good, so I really want to take the time and just really refine these stories as much as I can. Because I try hard to get you guys these stories for Fright Fridays, for those of you guys that watch those videos. And if you don't, definitely check them out. I'll put a link in the description, or you guys can check this link right here. But My Fright Fridays was kind of like the big thing I did when I started, and and a lot of you guys seem to be liking that. And but hair's always been like a thing that I've liked, so I've always mixed between the two. I mean, it goes in really smooth, like super smooth. Question is, how's the hold gonna be? Like, I feel it hardening up a bit already. It kind of looks like a bit of a flat hold. But the hairs on the back are like way loose. So I'd say we'll give this about an hour. No, we'll give this 2 to 3 hours and we'll see how it goes. I hope the curls on the back will flatten up. But anyways, for those of you guys that are wanting to see the sweet Georgia Brown, the Goon Grease, and then the Light Hold Pomade from Suavecito, like I said, I'll definitely try to get on those as soon as I possibly can. So I'll be back within 2 to 3 hours. Okay guys, so it's actually, well, I lost track of time. So it's kind of been like 4 to 5 hours. I'm not gonna lie, American Crew, I was ready to give this a pretty high score. First impression, it was pretty good, not gonna lie. You know, even like right now, it's a very soft, smooth hold. It's not like crunchy or like flaky or anything like that. It seems good so far. The problem was, like, about 20 minutes into having the product into my hair started to curl up. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I flattened it using just like a comb, just combing it down and applying a bit more product, and it seemed like it was working. But once it dried up, the curls kind of came back, and like I had a side part, and like I don't know if you guys can tell, but it started to like fall apart down the middle, like it was falling flat. I'm a little sweaty because it is a little hot. It's like 100 and something degrees outside right now. So, but I wasn't sweating before. Like I said, I didn't like the smell. But I feel like the smell with just about every hair product is just a preference thing. And like I always tell you guys the same way I always tell you guys every time is, it's all about preference. You know, this is just my opinion on this, so don't get mad. And if you feel like it wasn't justified, let me know why. But as always, I encourage you guys to definitely check these products out and experiment for yourself. Because again, this is my hair, but your hair might be a little bit different. So American Crew, if I was rating it from good, bad, or a little bit in between, I'd say it's an okay product. If you're trying to start like taking better care of your hair and you have shorter hair, like mine, my hair goes all the way back here. But if you have shorter hair, definitely give this product a try. But yeah, I'd say it's an okay product. And for those of you guys, I don't know if like it was clear or not, if I was just rambling on a bit, but as far as like the future for these pomade reviews and for the videos I upload on my channel, Goon Grease, Sweet Georgia Brown, and Suavecito's Light Hold, I will get those as soon as I can. I'll probably order them within the next week or two, and I'll keep you guys posted on that, either on the discussion tabs on my page, or just to make things a little easier, you guys can just click the little bell icon and I'll just set them to premiere whenever I do drop them, so you guys will be notified when the video is coming out. But anyways, I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people. Definitely, if you guys want to try out the American Crew, go out and try it. It's like, I think some places sell it for 20 bucks. I got this for like almost 18, but just remember, this is always my opinion. So if you guys want to try it out, definitely do so. Anyways, Damas y Caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jojo Jr. and I hope you guys have an amazing day, because you guys are all amazing people. And if you guys want to make my day even more amazing, check out these videos and subscribe right here. Anyways, I am out.